Imagine a world where updating the human body is as straightforward as installing the latest software on your smartphone. Today, we delve into the fascinating intersection of biology and information technology, exploring how this synergy is not just reshaping medicine but redefining life itself. In the realm of genome sequencing, scientists decode the DNA sequence of organisms, providing a detailed map of genetic information. This process, once costly and time-consuming, has evolved dramatically. The amount of genetic data has doubled each year, while the cost per base pair has halved, thanks to advancements in computational technologies. This exponential growth mirrors that of the earliest days of computer science, hinting at a future where reading one's genome might be as common as a routine checkup. Moving beyond mere sequencing, we enter the world of genome synthesizing. Here, scientists don't just read the DNA, they write it. By synthesizing DNA, researchers can design organisms with specific traits. This capability is not limited to simple bacteria or viral DNA, but extends to more complex organisms, potentially paving the way for custom-designed biological systems. Biomedical interventions have also seen revolutionary changes. With the advent of technologies like CRISPR, medical professionals can now edit genes with precision, turning off unwanted genes and adding beneficial ones. These interventions are designed on computers and tested on biological simulators before ever touching a human body. This process ensures a level of safety and efficacy previously unimaginable. Scene script: Dr. Hwa A. Lim's insights extend into the realm of tissue engineering and 3D printing. Imagine a world where a damaged windpipe or a jawbone is scanned, modeled, and printed within days, if not hours. These bioprinted structures are not mere replacements. They are living, functioning biological tissues that integrate with the body's own systems, growing and healing as any natural organ would. Yet the challenges ahead are vast. Printing a liver or a kidney involves not just replicating complex structures, but ensuring these organs can integrate seamlessly into the human circulatory system, performing intricate biochemical processes. As we ponder Dr. Lim's perspective on civilization being largely defined by our material creations, it becomes clear that our ability to manipulate both the material and biological worlds is blurring the lines between the born and the made. The tools and technologies we develop are not merely extensions of our physical selves, but of our biological essence. In conclusion, the integration of biology with information technology is not just a scientific evolution, it is a paradigm shift. From genome sequencing and synthesizing to sophisticated biomedical interventions and the wonders of 3D bioprinting, we are on the brink of a new era. An era where the software of life meets the hardware of science, creating possibilities limited only by our imagination. This is the dawn of a new kind of hybrid vigor, where biology and technology together will redefine the very fabric of life and health.